Oh man, I am so excited. This is gonna be the craziest event ever. Boombastic 2025 goes down in November 12th, 13th, and 14th. So last year was our first major open house Boombastic show, and it was a crazy success. We had people coming from Europe, throughout Central America, from Canada, from all over the United States. People were flying in and experiencing something that they had never seen before. Now, how can I be so confident? I'm so confident because you can actually go to IMTS, you can go to EMO, you can go to these different shows where you have a salesperson that's actually paid to tell you that their machine is the best machine. But when you come to Boombastic, you're coming in the doors and you're greeted by family, because we have been in community for years and years and years. And when you come through this facility, you're gonna see over 50 machines, all stacked with different materials: plastics, aluminum, steels, titanium, Inconel, Monel. The complexity of part is gonna go from simple parts on vices to simple parts stacked 30 at a time on a pallet, to teaching how pallet systems actually work. Not only are we gonna have all different types of materials, we're gonna have different industries. So on one machine, we're gonna be running medical parts. On another machine, we're gonna be running subsea parts, or thin wall titanium parts, or aerospace parts, or watch parts. You're actually going to witness the running of all different types of parts and applications. You're gonna see all different types of solutions, and you're gonna be able to see it with your own eyes. We're gonna actually give you the speeds, the feeds, the tooling. We're gonna show you the ingredients. We're gonna use it in front of you, and you're gonna be able to ask questions. So when you walk out of here, you're going to be a better machinist, and your mind is gonna comprehend things on a higher level. We're gonna have industry experts from all over the world that are here to talk to you. Whether you're a teacher or a student or a young machinist or a seasoned machinist, whether you work at Boeing or a school, there's gonna be something here, and we're gonna expand your mind, and it's gonna be absolutely incredible. Now, last year, people came through and they actually said, this is the best machining show we've ever been. They were amazed, but guess what? In 3 months, we put the entire show together in 3 months with limited funding. This time, we're doing things different. We have more time, we have more partners, we have more machines, more applications, more technologies, we have more of everything. And that's why I can honestly say the greatest machining show on earth is happening November 12th, 13th, and 14th. Wednesday is added. It is for VIPs. We're gonna open up the shop before everybody comes on Thursday and Friday. We're gonna have appetizers, we're gonna have drinks, and you're gonna be able to meet and network with industry professionals. And you're gonna see everything before the magic happens. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. All 3 days is about serving you and giving you the right information. Not only that, but we're gonna have crazy giveaways throughout the entire process. We're gonna have deals, we're gonna have sales. We're even gonna be giving away a CNC machine to somebody that comes to the show. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Now I'll leave with this. For years, over a decade, we've been giving free education to the world. We have 600,000 students currently registered learning for free. Everything that we give is for free. So for the first time for this show, because we want serious people registered, so we actually know that you're gonna come, and we're gonna take the show to the highest level. We're gonna add a small fee per person, so you can look below and actually see what the fees are. Now, everything is reasonable, it is fair, and if anybody's out there and you wanna come to the show but you can't afford it, simply reach out to me and we'll make it happen. Nobody will be turned away. We just wanna make sure that everybody that says they're gonna come actually comes. Oh, I'm so excited. Boombastic 2025 going off this November. Put your information down below. Register right now. I will see you there. You will come in. You will be amazed. It will be the craziest show that you've ever seen, and you're gonna be with family. The greatest machining show on earth. Boombastic 2025. Boom.